Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some Happy Mail, the So What box for June. This month's theme is gray, so I can't wait to get this open and see what's inside. Like I said, this is June's box. This is a monthly box, this So What box. It's more of a sewing box than a quilting box. I know I mostly do quilting, but this has little projects, which is kind of nice to have in between all the big quilts. Plans start at $37.59 a month, and this ships between the 1st and the 4th of every month. So if you're interested in this box, I've got a link down below for you. It's an affiliate link. I am affiliate, but I do get this box for review, but the opinions are my own. You guys know I'll always tell you the truth. So let's get this open. And there's always a card right on top that shows what is the theme for the month. This month's theme is gray. And let's see what's on the back. Okay. You always get at least one project and then sometimes two and an extra bundle of fabric. So this time we have a visor organizer pre-cut project kit. And that's one thing I do like about her projects is you get everything you need to make the project and she pre-cuts it. So you can literally sit down and sew. And every month always has a video that's just for subscribers, and you get a special website that you go to for that. So we've got that. The extra fabric bundle in here, it says, is a bonus sew-in. Oh, there's project tags that they include every month, but there's also the fabric, which is a value of $6. The pre-cut project kit is a value of $24.99. There's also a visor hanging organizer, or the pattern for that, which is a $12.99 value, and then there's a reusable tote, which is $1.99. And then they're valuing the tutorial video at $9.99. So that's what all that says on the back of the card. Let's get this open. I do love grays and blues, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So here's a little tote, reusable tote. It's a cutesy little bag. One of those that's, you know, you can reuse at a store or whatever. Not something I would have bought on my own, but it's thrown in there, so. All right, so this, when she talks about project tags, because some people were confused on this, she's talking about this ribbon that she puts around this fabric every month. You can cut these tags where the little lines are, and you can use those for tags if you want to sew them in. It says handmade, home sewing, handmade, handmade home sewing. So they all say about the same thing. They just have different pictures, that kind of thing. Now these are, I don't use these. You guys know what kind of tags I like to use. So this is not something that I save, but I think it's cute to wrap it around the fabric. I think that's nice. And here's our fabric bundle. This one is sort of a bluish gray, which I love. And it's got this like fern print on it. I think it's coming across more blue on the screen, but it's definitely a bluish gray, but love that. And this one is more of the grayish, like the brownish gray, which is not my favorite, but it's a good blender. So those are nice to have, nice to put in my stash. That one is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, now for the project. Here is the pattern, and I'm not going to take it all out, but it's a really thick, big pattern, and you can make this hanging visor hanging organizer for your car. And here is the kit for that, because she always gives you the kit. And like I said, everything is pre-cut, which I really appreciate. It's nice that they have that. So it says, in addition, what you'll need is a sewing machine, scissors, iron, and a ruler, and that's it. So it says what we send: pre-cut fabrics and notions, nylon coil zipper, all-purpose polyester thread, 38mm pearl head sewing pins, all-purpose 80-12 sewing machine needle, video, and written instructions. So looks like that's the Velcro, which you would hang it on your visor with. Here's the zipper. Here's some elastic, Gutermann thread, which I like Gutermann thread. Here's the fabrics. So it's a nice neutral color for your car with the black mesh. And then here is the glass head pins, and there's an 80-12 needle in there, and this will not serve me any purpose because my machine takes special needles because I have a high-speed machine, so I can't use that needle in my machine. But if you have a regular normal machine, unlike mine, that definitely comes in handy. So that's the contents of that. So far, I've liked all the projects. The first project was the curling iron travel holder thing. The second project that I received was the water bottle holder. I didn't love the fabric on that one, but I love the pattern. So I'm not going to use, I haven't made it yet, and I'm not going to use the fabric that she included. I'm going to grab my own fabric that I like better. I can't remember the colors. They were like orange and I think maybe brown, which are like my two least favorite colors. So I'll probably just grab, I could even use this really. That would be nice. But different fabric for that. And then I will make this because I think this is great for your car. So I've liked all the projects so far. And so I'm really excited about this box. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will pin the link, my affiliate link, to their site if you're interested in getting this box. Like I said, it's always a small project every month that you can sew, which is kind of nice if you're like me and a quilter and make big quilts all the time. Nice to have some small things thrown in there. All right, guys, well, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.